So let's say what you want to do is you want to get Google Vids to auto-generate out the captions for you. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead right here and record out a voiceover so that it can auto-generate out the captions for me. So for that, I'm simply going to go around over here. Let me just go around onto the spot where I want the voiceover to start. And then I'm simply going to start recording right here. So I'm just going to go around onto voiceover. Let me not follow the script this time and simply record freehand. So I'm just going to start the recording right here. There's the countdown. Have a great food every day and stay healthy. We have a lot of types of cuisines that you can enjoy every day at a very low cost. Hope that you enjoy the meals every day with us. Order it online as you need. So as I do this, you can see that I have the voiceover. Let me just go ahead and preview it. You can preview it out if you want. Have a great food every. So let me just go ahead and insert it out right here. So there's my voiceover, as you can see right here. So now, let's say what I want is I want the auto-generated captions for this. So I'm going to go to insert for that, and I'm going to go to close captions right here. So I don't really so these are the manual captions that I actually made, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need those anymore. So over here, if I were to go ahead and view it, then you can see that this is what you have. So it says have a great food every day and stay healthy. We have a lot of types of cuisines that you can enjoy every day at a very low cost, and you can see that everything has been generated right here just like this. If you want to, you can go ahead and duplicate out the track and then edit that out as well. So you can see that this is English, so you can go ahead right here, and let's say, for example, you can go ahead and make F capital right here just like this, make save it out, and so forth. So now if I were to actually go ahead and play this on the preview, then you will be able to see the captions. So you can see that it is loading right there just like that. So let it complete loading. Have a great food. So I'm going to turn on the closed captions every day and stay healthy. We have a lot of types of cuisines that you can enjoy every day at a very low cost. Hope that you. And that is how you can get the auto-generated captions in Google Vids as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.